Hey guys, Double Wide 6, and I'm pretty excited today because my HeimVision HM541 video surveillance system has arrived. I thought it would be a good idea just to get cameras around the house for a little bit of security and peace of mind. And I also run my business out of the house, so now I can see when customers are coming and it'll notify me on my phone. And this unit's pretty cool. It comes with its own monitor and 4 cameras. So I'm going to be setting this up, and I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. So we'll take a look at the camera. Now with this kit, you get 4 of these cameras. There's a little hood on top to block the sunlight. Nice looking camera. I believe they come in white or black. And this base mounts against the house. You can drill a hole that goes to your Ethernet cable, or you can run this way. One of my cameras I ran that way. And you can position the camera any way you want. And this stuff's not plastic, it's actually aluminum. So it's a pretty nice looking camera. And they're 1080 full color. And there's the brand, HeimVision. Alright guys, I've moved out to my garage where I do most of my work, and let me be clear, this NVR system, which stands for Network Video Recorder, was sent to me by HeimVision, and they asked me to do a review of the product. They sent 4 cameras, the NVR, and it comes with this monitor and a mouse. I have it all set up, and I want to show you the different cameras and what the software can actually do. We're taking a look here at the 10-inch monitor. It's in color that comes with the unit. As you can see, there are 4 separate cameras. So I happen to have one on my backyard, one on my pool and porch area, one on the front door, and one on the driveway coming into my shop. So if you double click on one of these, you can bring it up full size. I like this because I can work in my garage and see what's going on outside, or if someone's at the front door. Another nice thing about this particular program is it comes with an app, and I'll show you what it looks like on my smartphone. So here's a look at the HeimKits app, and it's a free download, and it works pretty much the same. You can double click on the image you want to see. You can turn it sideways like that. And you'll also notice that you can record and you can turn on sound. So right now I can listen to sound. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear some birds and some wind. Or if you needed to spy on someone, you could do that. So how do you know what the camera's going to record? They give you a little map here with the days of the week, or calendar I should say, Monday through Friday, and what you can do is you can click when you want it to record. So I can highlight all these hours here. So this is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, just 24 hours in a day. And up here is a motion icon, and I'm setting this camera so it's going to record when it sees motion. So if something moves, it's recording. And they allow you to work with the sensitivity of the camera. So for instance, right now, video detection, if we look at this, I can set my sensitivity on the camera to maybe like 20%. That way, something like a bird or wind may not trigger the camera to record to your hard drive. So you set it where you want it, you hit apply, and the after it's all programmed, it's going to record every week just that way. That's how easy it is to use this program. It's now nighttime. It's really dark out. It's been kind of like a cloudy day, and there's no moon out tonight. And this is the camera working in infrared, so you have good night vision with this system as well. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the review. The system is an HM541 by HeimVision, and it's 4 security cameras plus the wires, and it's a wire mounted system, meaning there are Ethernet cables connecting your cameras, and those cables come to the back of the video recorder. The system does not come with a hard drive, so that's something extra that you need to add. You can use motion detection, which is really nice, and you can record about a week of data on a 2 terabyte hard drive. Now, you can run an Ethernet cable to your TV, or you can operate the system on your phone. If you use motion detection, it'll send you messages whenever there's motion detected in your camera. Alright guys, so hopefully this video helps you out. We'll put links down below to the product, and you'll have to let me know what you think of it in the comments. I'd like to thank HeimVision for sending the unit to me, and it was a pleasure working with it, and it's going to be great having it in my shop. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next video.